See what I mean? Jet noise from a bike lane. But this has been pioneered by Rich Goodwin. His previous muscle pit was impressive enough, but somehow he's been able to enhance even on that. And Colin Hales is one of the team who has been heavily involved alongside Rich in making all this happen. Colin, welcome to Duxford. Just what has it taken to create this unbelievable flying machine?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's took 4 years and quite a lot of research, development and time because this is